My name is Jose Torres Casillas. I graduated from McGeorge's MPA program in 2021. So I decided to get an MPA degree because I was working in policy. I was working in policy already, but I wanted to level up. And I felt that the way to do that was to get a higher education degree. Specifically, McGeorge was my number one school and actually the only school I applied to simply because of its location to Sacramento. I did not want to leave. I was already working and just the schedule fit perfectly with what I was doing already. So what I do now is I work as the Deputy Executive Director at a multi-state lobbying organization, specifically covering California and the Southwest. So what I do is I oversee our lobbying efforts, representing our clients, representing our association, which is it covers the largest and some of the smallest technology companies around the world, and representing their interests within policy within California, but also the Southwest. So 5 other states around California as well. I feel absolutely prepared, both in the academic sense and learning on different things. For example, like writing policy memos, ensuring that the implementation of various policy is successful at state level, but also just a lot of other skills such as leadership. I oversee a lobbying program for multiple states. And so a lot of the skills that I learned here within Curlin's class, but also just within McGeorge as a whole, has helped me within my career. Yes. So while I was a student, I actually had Professor Curlin for 2 of my classes. He is a wealth of knowledge. At that time, when I was a student, I was working in a previous role of mine, where I was focusing on state level implementation of different programs. And so Curlin has been there, done that. And so he literally was basically a mentor in my time with him in his classes. Yes, I would absolutely recommend McGeorge. If you are looking to work in policy and where else other than Sacramento, California, right, McGeorge is the perfect place. The professors are great. A lot of the connections, a lot of the friends that were in my classes are friends of mine now. And so we've been able to collaborate in some instances outside, but I would absolutely recommend the program to students.